Best way to keep lemon juice fresh in the fridge. To store lemon juice long-term in the fridge, pour it into an ice cube tray, freeze it, and then transfer the frozen cubes to an airtight container or freezer bag. For short-term storage, place freshly squeezed lemon juice in a tightly sealed bottle or container and refrigerate. This method will keep the juice fresh for 3 to 4 weeks, though some sources suggest it may only last a few days for optimal flavor. Long-term storage, months. Juice the lemons. Squeeze the lemons to extract the juice and strain it to remove any seeds or pulp. Pour into ice cube trays. Pour the fresh lemon juice into ice cube trays. Freeze. Place the trays in the freezer until the juice is completely solid. Transfer to airtight storage. Once frozen, transfer the lemon juice cubes into an airtight container or a resealable freezer bag. Short-term storage, weeks. Juice and strain. Juice the lemons and strain the juice to remove any pulp or seeds. Use an airtight container. Pour the juice into a clean, thoroughly dried airtight container or bottle. Refrigerate. Store the sealed container in the refrigerator. This method helps reduce oxidation and preserves the juice's flavor and vitamin C for a longer period than if it were left exposed to air.